create a character you really like, the face works, the hair works, the outfit works, then you generate the next image. And suddenly it looks like a different person. The eye shape changes. The hair becomes longer. The outfit loses important details. Even the character's age can shift between generations. The problem is usually not that AI cannot create consistent characters. It is that the model is being asked to redesign the character every time. So today I will show you why AI characters keep changing and how to build a consistent character workflow inside getimg. The first problem is a character description that is too vague. For example, a stylish woman with black hair wearing a futuristic outfit. That may describe the general idea, but it does not describe one specific person. The model still has to decide what shape are her eyes, how long is her hair, what is the structure of her face, what materials are used in the outfit, what details make her recognizable, and it may answer those questions differently every time. Instead, create a fixed character description. For example, a woman in her late 20s with a narrow oval face, dark almond-shaped eyes, straight black haircut at shoulder length, blonde fringe and small silver eyebrow piercing. Then describe the outfit separately. The goal is not to write the longest prompt possible. The goal is to define the details that should not change. Another common mistake is describing the same character differently in every prompt. In one image she has short black hair, in another a dark bob, then shoulder length glossy hair. These descriptions may feel similar to us, but the model can interpret them as different designs. Create one main character description and reuse it. Do not improve it every time. Do not replace words only to make the prompt sound more creative. Keep the identity section fixed, then change the scene around it. Same character, but new location, new pose, new camera angle, new campaign direction. Consistency comes from repeating the details that matter. Text alone can describe a character, but a visual reference gives the model much more information. Inside getimg, start with the strongest image of your character. Choose a version where the face is clear, the lighting is readable, the hairstyle is visible, the outfit is not hidden, and the character is not heavily distorted by perspective. This image becomes the visual foundation. You can then use it as a reference while changing the background, pose or mood. Do not start with a blurry profile shot if the next image needs to be a detailed front-facing portrait. The clearer the reference, the less the model has to guess. Imagine starting with studio portrait, then asking for a new outfit, a new hairstyle, a different age, dramatic running pose, or maybe nighttime city, low camera angle, and completely different lighting. At that point, almost every part of the image needs to be rebuilt. The character may still look similar, but consistency becomes much harder. Change one or two major elements at a time. Start by changing the background, then test a new pose, then create a different outfit variation. Keep the successful parts fixed. Do not restart the entire character every time you need a new asset. Edit the version that already works. So, your character's identity and styling are not the same thing. Identity includes facial structure, eye shape, skin tone, hairline, recognizable features. Styling includes clothing, makeup, accessories, lighting, environment. A character can wear a different outfit and still look like the same person, but the prompt needs to make that clear. Keep the identity description stable, then add a new styling direction underneath it. For example, perceive the same face, facial proportions, eye shape, hairstyle, and recognizable features. Change the outfit to a structured silver streetwear jacket with cobalt blue details. The character stays fixed. The campaign changes around them. Sometimes the character has not actually changed as much as it appears. The camera angle has. A wide-angle close-up can make the nose and forehead look larger. A low angle can change the jawline. Hard side lighting can completely alter the shape of the face. This is especially important when comparing a clear portrait with a dramatic fashion image. For your first consistent set, keep the camera language controlled. Use similar framing, natural perspective, and readable lighting. Once the character works across several simple angles, you can test more extreme shots. Build consistency first. Add visual complexity second. A consistent character needs a few details that remain easy to recognize. Maybe it is a blunt black fringe, a silver eyebrow piercing, blue eyeliner, specific jacket, a small facial mark, or one repeated accessory. These details act like visual anchors. You don't need 10 of them. 2 or 3 strong details are usually more effective, but they must remain specific. Silver jewelry is general. One small silver eyebrow piercing and 2 thin ear cuffs is much easier to perceive. The more recognizable the anchor, the easier it is to identify the character across different scenes. Before creating a full campaign, build a small reference set. Generate a front-facing portrait, a 3/4 view, a side profile, a full body image, a close-up of the outfit. Keep the background and lighting simple. This gives you a clearer understanding of what must stay consistent. It also helps you catch problems before creating 10 campaign images. Maybe the face works, but the jacket changes. Maybe the hairstyle works from the front, but becomes inconsistent from the side. Fix those details during the character sheet stage. One strong character system is more useful than 20 disconnected. Your AI character usually changes because too many decisions are being made again in every generation. The description is too general. The wording keeps changing. The reference is unclear. Too many elements are replaced at once. Or the camera makes the same face look different. The solution is not generating more random versions. It is creating a stronger foundation. Define the identity. Reuse the same description. Start with a clear reference. Keep a few signature details. Change the scene without redesigning the person. Then edit the strongest result inside getimg instead of returning to 0. Because a consistent character is not created with one perfect prompt. It is built through a consistent workflow. Tell me in the comments which detail changes most often in your generations. And leave a like if this was useful and subscribe for more practical creative workflows with getimg. See you in the next video.